Has it ever happened with you? You embark on a journey with minimal expectations, simply seeking an escape from your hectic life. But that journey unfolds into something much greater. The time spent with friends, the challenges faced along the way, the awe-inspiring landscapes, breathtaking views, and the remarkable places you encounter leave an indelible mark in your mind, lasting a lifetime. For me, it was a trip to the Isle of Skye in the winters. The quiet winter, with hardly any crowds, combined with the majestic landscapes, transformed the entire trip into a dreamlike experience. Let me offer you a glimpse of that paradise.